Genesis chapter 36. Now these are the generations of Esau, who is Edom. Esau took his wives of the daughters of Canaan, Adah, the daughter of Elon, the Hittite, and Aholibamah, the daughter of Anna, the daughter of Zibeon, the Hivite. And Bashemath, Ishmael's daughter, sister of Nebajoth, and Adar bore Esau. Eliphaz and Bashemath bore Reuel, and Ahimaboleth bore Jeush, and Jalem and Korah. These are the sons of Esau, which were born to him in the land of Canaan. And Esau took his wives and his sons and his daughters and all the persons of his house and his cattle and all his beasts and all his substance, which he had got in the land of Canaan, and went into the country from the face of his brother Jacob. For their riches were more than that they might dwell together, and the land wherein they were strangers could not bear them because their cattle. Thus dwelled Esau in Mount Seir. Esau is Edom. And these are the generations of Esau, the father of Edomites in Seir. These are the names of Esau's sons: Eliphaz, the son of Adah, the wife of Esau; Reuel, the son of Bashemath, the wife of Esau. And the sons of Eliphaz were Teman, Omar, Zepho, and Gatam, and Kenaz. And Timnah was concubine to Eliphaz, Esau's son, and she bore Eliphaz Ammik. These are the sons of Adah, Esau's wife, and these are the sons of Reuel, Nahath, and Zerah, Shema, and Mizah. These were the sons of Bethshemeth, Esau's wife, and these were the sons of Aholibamah, the daughter of Anna, the daughter of Zibeon, Esau's wife, and she bore to Esau Jeush and Jalem and Korah. These were chiefs of the sons of Esau, the sons of Eliphaz, the firstborn of Esau: chief Teman, chief Omar, chief Zepho, chief Kenaz, chief Korah, chief Gatam, and chief Amalek. These are the chiefs that came of Eliphaz in the land of Edom. These were the sons of Adah, and these are the sons of Reuel, Esau's son: chief Nahath, chief Zerah, chief Shema, chief Mizah. These are the chiefs that came of Reuel in the land of Edom. These are the sons of Bashemath, Esau's wife, and these are the sons of Aholibamah, Esau's wife: chief Jeush, chief Jalem, chief Korah. These were the chiefs that came of Aholibamah, the daughter of Anna, Esau's wife. These are the sons of Esau, who is Edom, and these are their chiefs. These are the sons of Seir, the Horite, the inhabited land: Lotan, Shobal, and Zibeon, and Anna, and Dishon, and Ezer, and Dishan. These are the chiefs of the Horites and the children of Seir in the land of Edom. And the children of Lotan were Hori and Heman, and Lotan's sister was Timnah. And the children of Shobal were these: Alvan, and Manath, Ebal, Shebo, and Omen. And these are the children of Zibeon, both Ajah, Anna. This was that Anna that found the mules in the wilderness as he fed the donkeys of Zibeon, his father. And the children of Anna, these were Dishon and Aholibamah, the daughter of Anna. And these are the children of Dishon: Hemdan and Eshban, the Ithran, and Cheran. The children of Ezer, these Bilhan and Zevah and Achan. The children of Dishan are these: Uz and Aaron. These are the chiefs that came of the Horites: chief Lotan, chief Shobal, chief Zibeon, chief Anna, chief Dishon, chief Ezer, chief Dishan. These are the chiefs that came of Hori among their chiefs in the land of Seir. And these are the kings that reigned in the land of Edom before there reigned any king over the children of Israel. And Bela, the son of Beor, reigned in Edom, and the name of the city was Dinhabah. And Bela died, and Jobab, the son of Zerah of Bozrah, reigned in the stead. And Jobab died, and Hushman of the land Temanai reigned in the stead. And Husham died, and Hadad, the son of Bedad, who smote the Midian in the field of Moab, reigned in the stead. And the name of his city was Avith. And Hadad died, and Shamlah Maskarah reigned in the stead. And Samlah died, and Saul Rehoboth, by the river reigned in his stead, and Saul died. And Baalhanan, the son of Achbor, reigned in his stead. And Baalhanan, the son of Achbor, died, and Hadar reigned in his stead. And the name of the city was Pau, and his wife's name was Methabel, and daughter of Matred, the daughter of Mahaz. And these are the names of the chiefs that came of Esau according to their families after the places by their names: Chief Timnah, Chief Avlah, Chief Japheth, Chief Ahlabama, Chief Elah, Chief Pinan, Chief Kenaz, Chief Timon, Chief Mizbar, Chief Midigel, Chief Aram. These be the chiefs of Edom according to their habitations in the land of their possessions. He is Esau, the father of the Edomites.